Do you remember what you were doing in December of 1992? Chances are, if you're watching this on YouTube, you probably weren't even born. But I was around. And I was reading Sassy magazine. I discovered recently that you can pull up via archive.org old issues of magazines of the past, like Sassy. PMS, The Conspiracy, 7 rock stars on their geekiest teenage moments, Skater Boys, asexual or not. I mean, some things have changed since 1992, but something that hasn't changed is my obsession with the pillow dress. Now, if you read Sassy in the 90s, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This dress was famous. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think a single one of my friends ever successfully made this dress. Let's see. We even got a 90210 ad. Whoa, this is for 90210 perfume. I had no idea. Sandwiched between Vidal Sassoon and a merry-go-round ad. Woo! Here it is. The pillowcase dress. It is indeed a dress that is made from a pillowcase. I'll read you the description. This gorgeous dress can be whipped up in only 10 minutes, and you can make a zillion for next to nothing. We're talking cheap gifts here. Simply move to your linen closet to get started. I never made one of these dresses when I was in high school because I don't think my mom had any extra linens to just let me cut up. And I actually don't have any linens myself. We don't just have extra sets of pillowcases. All the pillowcases I have are being used, and they're too nice to just do an experiment on. However, something I do have a lot of and something I do want to get rid of is a couch pillowcase. So I just did the laundry. Just ignore all of the underwear that's over here. I washed one of the pillowcases that we weren't using, and I'm going to see if I can turn it into a top. Ta-da! Here it is. This is the pillowcase, and it's got buttons down the back, which should make for some interesting backwards button action. But as you can see, it's got a cute little pattern. It's a little bit thick, and will definitely get linty because this pillowcase got very linty, which is why I don't like using it. It's from West Elm. The shell is cotton, and the lining is cotton. The idea is to basically cut armholes here and a neck hole here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it, and it won't be a dress, but it will be a pillow shirt. Let's see. All right. I am going to cut. It's already got lint all over it. It is what it is. It's just gonna be a fuzzy, fuzzy shirt. I'm gonna cut out my armholes area here. Oh no, I thought it was gonna be even across, but it's not. I'm really acting very impetuously. This is definitely bigger than that. This is not gonna turn out good. And I'll make a little neck hole. Pair of pinking shears, so I'm gonna cut outside the line. Apologies to anyone who knows how to cut and sew who is cringing like crazy right now. I also realized that this pillow is different from other pillows in that the bottom is not open. I'm gonna have to cut off the bottom too. Okay, so let's do the neck. This is definitely bringing me back to the days when I used to cut all of my t-shirt necks off and my mom used to get so pissed. Okay, look at this. We have a cute little tank top so far. Here we go. Now, should I just cut across the bottom and really just own this Yeah, I should just cut across the bottom, right? I hope nobody found this video thinking they were really gonna learn how to sew. Okay, oh, it's making a mess. Well, it's already linty and a mess, and I'm gonna already have to vacuum. But here's the shirt. Oh my gosh, there is just blue lint going everywhere. But what do we think? Let me go look in the mirror. This is the top. Here's the back. And you know what? I actually really like this. I think I'm gonna need to sew up the bottom so that it stops fuzzing and separating, but this is a pretty cute original top. Well, we did it. It only took a few decades, but finally did it.